Hi, Matt Swisgood here with Kinetics Noise Control, coming from CEDIA, and happy to talk to you real briefly about what we're showing here this week and a couple of our new products. We'll start off with sound isolation products, and these products are designed to allow the designer to create a very, very quiet space. So if you think of home theaters or any critical listening space, you want it to be as quiet as it can be. The standard stud wall construction, where drywall is attached to studs, has fair to good performance as far as sound control, noise transferring through. What we do is we take it from fair to good to very excellent performance with products like this. This Isomax Clip is a rubber clip. It carries a standard drywall furring channel. It's mounted to the studs, so you're creating a secondary framing on standard stud assembly. Attach drywall to it, again just standard drywall. Some designers like to use damp drywall, but most of our testing is with standard drywall. And what you do is you greatly boost the performance of a typical stud wall from an STC rating, which is sound transmission class in the 30s, up into the 50s or even the low 60s. So we allow the designer to create a space that is very, very quiet. And by having low ambient sound levels in, for instance, a home theater, you can hear everything in the soundtrack that you want to hear. And that's the beginning of creating a very good room, which will make your audio equipment sound a lot better. We do the same thing in ceilings. These types of hangers, that's one type we have. We have others, just depends on the budget. They're designed to create a drywall ceiling that is suspended on a resilient mount. And what that does is it controls noise transfer. So again, the whole idea is to create what some people call a box within a box construction to isolate sound within this room and make it quiet. It also protects people outside the room if you've got it cranked up to 105 decibels and you don't want people in other rooms to hear what you're listening to. So that's the sound isolation component. Throughout the booth you'll see other products which are designed to control what's called room acoustics. What we just looked at is designed to create an enclosure around the room which controls sound and makes it very, very quiet. These products are used to improve the sound quality. If you build a typical room, a rectangular shoebox if you will, and the sound is bouncing off standard painted drywall, the acoustics will be very poor. You could buy a $10,000, $20,000 sound system, but if you put it in a bad room, it's not going to sound anywhere near what the designers intended it to sound like. These types of products, sound absorbers, panels engineered to either absorb sound or scatter sound in the space. They're called sound diffusers, sound absorbers, or a combination of both. And we have a variety of these. These are used by home theater designers or other listening space designers to create excellent acoustics. We've got a couple new products we're showing this year. If you look up here, you'll see our Starcoustic ceiling. This ceiling can be used not only for acoustic purposes, but obviously to create a pretty dramatic effect in a home theater. So when you turn the lights down and look at the ceiling, it looks like you're looking at a starlit ceiling. For more information, you can go to our website. That's kineticsnoise.com. Thanks.